Hey friends, Sarah and John, turkey jumping into leaves.
Yeah, it's going to be really cool, and we hope you're going to follow along with us. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw our turkey's beak, and we're going to draw a really happy turkey. I'm going to draw an upside down U, except that looks like a frown. Yes, and then we're going to draw a little letter V at the bottom. Then we're going to draw our little turkey's mouth open because it's so happy to jump into leaves. And then we can draw a little tongue at the bottom. And then let's color in that middle shape. Now let's draw our turkey eyes. I'm going to draw a circle on the left and the same size circle on the right. We're going to add our cartoon highlight. To make our eyes shiny and friendly, we can add a little oval in the top left of each eye, and then color in that big circle, but leave the little circle white. I also added eyelashes, and you could take extra time to add different things to your turkey too. You don't have to draw the exact same as us. Okay, now let's draw our little feathers on top of our turkey head. I'm going to draw a little bumpy line. Then let's draw the top of our turkey's head. We're going to come out of those feathers, curve down, and we're going to stop next to the eye. And then we can come back up here and draw the other side coming down to match. Then let's draw two little feathers sticking out of the cheek. And then we can draw the cheeks curving around and into the chin, and I'm going to do the same thing over here. We'll curve around, and I'm going to leave a little space here for the neck so it doesn't connect.
Whoa.
I like the little cheeks. Those are cute. All right, then we can draw the feathers going around the neck down here. And then we're going to draw the first foot. And let's draw a letter U, but I'm drawing it tipped sideways, so it's diagonal. And then we can draw the little toes. I'm going to draw 3 little toes. Draw a little turkey running or jumping. One foot's in front and the other foot will be behind our turkey. And then we could draw a little leg line on the top and the bottom. And then we're going to draw the body coming down to the leg. And then over here, we're going to draw coming across, we've got a short little turkey body. It's awesome. And connecting to the cheek over here. Now this leg is behind our turkey, so we're going to draw the leg first. And then we're going to draw the 3 toes just barely sticking out of the side. Our turkey is in an action pose. It's jumping. Now we need to draw the wings sticking up. We're going to draw 1 feather right here, another feather, and each of the feathers I'm getting smaller until I connect into the body. Then let's do the same thing on the other side. We draw the first really big feather, then smaller, and smaller until we connect in. Now let's draw the tail feathers for our turkey. We're going to draw 1 right here sticking out of the top of the head. Then the next one will start here. We'll curve around and then back into the head, and we'll match on the other side. Next, let's leave a little space and we'll draw the next turkey feather. But look, I'm kind of drawing it curving so it looks like it's going up. That'll make our turkey as if it's flying or falling because these are in the wind being pushed up. Then let's draw a feather that's overlapping behind these in the space that we left. Oh, we could also draw a smaller tail feather right here to finish the tail feathers. There's our turkey jumping into nothing. We need to draw the leaves. Yeah, the pile of leaves. Let's come down here and we're going to draw the ground first. So I'm going to draw a zigzag line going all the way across. And I drew it kind of messy so it looks more natural. Now we're going to draw our leaf pile, and we're going to kind of do the same thing that we did for the grass, but I'm going to draw the zigzags a little bigger. We're going to go around and create an upside down or a rainbow line, except with this zigzag line. And that's a simple way to draw a leaf pile, but we're going to add more detail with our markers. Then this part we're going to speed up, but you guys can pause the video and take extra time to color your drawings. You ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
While we were picking out our colors, I totally forgot we didn't draw the wattle for our turkey. So right here we can draw a little raindrop shape on the side of our turkey mouth. All right, now let's color it.
Okay.
Austin, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our turkeys jumping into a pile of leaves, and it turned out awesome. I especially love how it looks all colored in.
Yeah, me too.
And you guys can pause the video to match our coloring or color it differently. You could even change the color of the tail feathers. We did red and orange, but you can make them all different colors. I also added extra leaves flying in the air.
You could also add trees in the background.
Oh, that would complete your drawing.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a turkey jumping into leaves.
We did. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.